Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're doing a Halloween craft project. We're gonna make some little paint handprints and some pumpkins. So we got our paint, some glue sticks, different colored cardboard paper. So we're gonna put this together and see what we can do.
Yeah!
Alright, so we got our paint spread out on the plate. You're just going to want them to press their hand in it for a few seconds and then take it off and stick it right on the paper. Don't move it around at all. Alright, stick it straight in. Alright, it came out pretty good. We're going to put it to the side to dry. Alright, so Ari's next. Let me see your hand. Alright, open your fingers. Go up. Keep your fingers apart. And boom. There's Ari's. There it goes down. Boom. And up. And boom. Oh. Good job, Tibby. Have to pick which one's better. Next up, we got the green, and we also have a brown to try to make the stem. So for this, you're just going to want to press one finger, and then put that on a piece of white cardboard paper, and you cut that out. We'll show you how it's done. Oh. Ah. It's a lot thicker than it's supposed to be. All right, let me see your finger. That came out good. Came out pretty good. Once the paint is dried, you're going to want to cut it out into a circle. There's the hands cut out. Not a perfect circle, but it's okay. Then you're going to want to do the same thing with the fingerprint for the stem. Now you want to put it on a piece of paper, draw another orange circle, and then you're going to want to cut that out. We're going to end up pasting the white to the orange. And there they are, all glued on. I decided to write their names and the year and their ages just for fun. And now I'm on to the next step. And there's the finished pumpkins. Just gotta wait for the glue to dry. The website that I got this idea from is called Frugal Fun for Boys and Girls, and they actually have this as like a greeting card. You have to make those pumpkins pretty small to fit into a greeting card and fold these pieces of paper in half. But it can be done. They got pictures of it. So if you want to check that out, see what they did, I'll have the link in the description. Hope everyone enjoyed watching this. Hit that subscribe button, like the video if you liked it, share it with some friends if you think they might want to try these little projects. And until the next project, we'll see you next time.